So Samsung is likely to focus on its next premium mid-range phone, the Galaxy A55. As the days passes, more and more information is being revealed. Today we have some interesting information regarding the device's connectivity and fast charging capabilities. A lot of info about the Galaxy A55 has already made its way online over the past few weeks, including some of its specs through various certification and benchmarks. Now the Galaxy A55 has been certified by the FCC, which has confirmed previous known details about the phone. The certification also confirms that the Galaxy A55 supports 25-watt charging. Samsung is also likely to use the same 5000 mAh battery as the A53 and A54. The news has also revealed some unsurprising information such as the presence of dual SIM slot, NFC and Wi-Fi 6 support. It appears that Samsung has a special affection for the 25-watt charging, and this love affair has continued for the past few years. Interestingly, even last year they didn't even include the charger in the box. Samsung could definitely take a lesson or two from Chinese phone makers who provide a 33-watt brick complete with a charger in the box for an entry-level phone. It's 2024 and Samsung needs to realize that people nowadays don't have the patience to wait for their phone to charge. Moving on, the Galaxy A54 was the second mid-range phone from Samsung to include Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. However, there are no plans for an upgrade to Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7 on the A55. It's worth noting that the Wi-Fi 7 was not even on our list of desired upgrades for Samsung's mid-range phones. Additionally, both the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus only supports Wi-Fi 6E due to the limitation of the Exynos 2400 chip that powers them, which lacks support of Wi-Fi 7. This is also happening with the A55. The device will be powered by the Exynos 1480, Samsung's first mid-range chip that will feature a GPU based on AMD's RDNA graphic architecture. Samsung didn't do a great job with the Exynos 2200, its initial flagship chip with an AMD GPU, but we are hopeful that the Exynos 1480 will not encounter any issues. So what do you think of this Galaxy A55? Let me know in the comment section below. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.